Juni somni pariat sangni somni paruk ane tunai hianin US le Iran te indo tolo ma se Iran lampang hianin Iraq rama United States te office omna poimo anbei nitla report omane bon chole viang riang.
Multiple explosions have rocked northern Iraq amid a major escalation in
northern Iraq marlam.
The standoff between Iran and the United States. Earlier today, a series of blasts were reported across the city of Erbil, including areas close to the US consulate.
Erbil kwa kopuyania. Chuanin US consulate omna bul nai vela hianin hetiang puakri hi report omani multiple explosions ania omzia chu voinhi khatchau be ani don lo ni na lang ani yo US le Iran te tu na hianin in do to ri lo ni na ranga US po hianin an be apo hi an top san ri ni na langa voina an be te ni le lo chuanin zanin tiamin zanli United States hianin Iran an be to lo ani ma khan ni som pathum set mai azonin United States lamin Iran an be ya tu na hianin zanli an be le to don lo ti na ani.
According to reports, several suspected Iranian drones targeted different locations across northern Iraq.
Suspected Iranian drones antileta suspected nizo Iran drone ani ngai imti han la confirm chong lo maro chu suspected nizo nen Iran atanga ka ani an ring hel don ani US omna bulvel kha ka fu ani boxio tiang hianin Iraq mar lampang hi tuna hianin be mekani Iran le Iraq ani do tin ani lovin Iraq a hianin United States te office om via consulate kamo ha Iran lampang hian han be tina ani de mai ni na lang ani.
The attacks were reported in Califan and Soran, two areas northeast of Erbil.
Munni be ani.
Police sources said at least 4 drones were involved in the operation.
Drone pali lai he tilai hianin ani nam thoyanga hriat ani eng drone ni ngo shahid drones te kha ani le mai na rinom Iran drone lar tak mai khamo.
The strikes triggered large fires around the targeted sites, while 2 of the drones were reported to have crashed near their intended targets.
Kang me chona sal heni drone na hetianga va target ava fu nu hian amaro chu drone pathin target fuwa chuanin kang me chona sa drone dang panni le chu an target va fuchi lo khan abun hai vela hanin an tanin tuna hianin report ani Donald Trump te ponan soito tuna hianin Iran ten hianin bele mekanin dor le mekani amaro chu hianin biak na hianin ra than chu pok ring chi chuan lo mi mal tak phei chuan Trump hian hetianga Iran ten na kan in bemek ati lai hian warning a pele thawani a chula ni chuanin Iran hi ai na sa zoking kan be leang ati le thawani omzia bera chuanin khatia an be vaka kha Iranin US du dana engkim deal an accept theina turatan khan US hianin Iran nornan sipai chakna mangi te hanin abe ani ha rin omani tia an top san le thutta ka hiano.
The security response was immediate. More than 10 US warplanes and drones were reportedly seen flying over Erbil after the suspected drone attack.
Hetianga drone manga an be nu hianin United States hianin jet fighter ten tir chuak nga lani hey Reaper drone kan ti ang tepon yang surveillance te turin an cherang khom United States lampang po.
While there has been no official US confirmation of these flights, the
official tak chuanin US lampang chuanin confirmation an la siam chuang lawa amaro chu hilam Iraq atanga thona an mu thei dan ang vel khan ti report an ron siam ane.
Reports suggest that American forces moved quickly to monitor the situation and protect key installations. The developments were not limited to Erbil, however, while Iranian media claimed that an American drone was destroyed in Iraq's Al-Anbar province.
Iran media lampang chuanin American drone hi Iraq mun pakhata hianin ti chiadan ti hanan lo report ve boka.
Same time, reports also emerged of an attack on the Khor gas field in Iraq's Suleimania region. The gas field
Iraq hianin tiang hianin be atok ava ang ve Suleimania aming zo he Suleimania ti ni helai muna an oil facilities hianin be atok boka ni enge mon le omziele
is one of the country's most important energy facilities, making the incident significant not only for security but also for energy infrastructure in the wider region. The timing of these strikes has drawn particular attention. They come just a day after President Donald Trump said he is prepared to authorize very strong military action against Iran if current diplomatic efforts fail.
tu na hianin hetianga an beih hun hi a timing a hi a interesting ang reng khop ma chan chu ni min a hanin Trump an Iran den na tu na kan in dor pek na hi a hlotling lo ni chuanin ai na sa zo hin kan bei leang ti kha Trump khan in warning a pe ni khatenga Trump an warning a pek mulo ka hetiang hianin voin lama thila thleng le ta a breaking news ai breaking news a ni chin lo kan ron upload ani tu na hianin tu ti hriat lo ten ti mayang Iran ani chun ring hlel vek thawa Iran hin bei mek ani Iraq hin bei mek ani Iran hian Iraq a bei Iraq a hianin American consulate te po oman office poi mo tatak khami bak a khan oil facilities Iran economy tante security tante energy tana Iraq tana poi mo kha kha bei ani bok ani.
Trump reiterated that his administration remains engaged in talks with Iran, but warned that the military options remain on the table.
Do chuanin sipai chakna hmangin Iran hi kan la beile theya akha chu kha option akha chu a omreng amara chu tuna tak hi chuanin Iran tenen hianin kan la indor ri mek ani tiani sai to ang khanin tuna an han indor na te po hi United States lampangin an silai mu poimo tak tak te han that air defense system an air defense system poimo tak that te patriot te khang ang han in restock le nan te khanin an du ve deu mun le ka thimai mai ke ma tak phei chuan.
You know, a lot of people were against that war. We don't want the Venezuela. Why are you doing what you did after we won in about 48 minutes approximately? They said, oh, that was a good move. Well, the same thing's happening in Iran. People just don't see it. We have destroyed their Navy. We've destroyed their Air Force. We've destroyed their leadership. We've destroyed their anti-aircraft weaponry. Their drones are being made at a rate of about 7%. We destroyed most of their drone manufacturing capability, their missile manufacturing capability. And right now they're talking to us about making a deal. But if we didn't do it tough, there would be no talk.
Trump bắt soi te ha. Interesting ve khop mai. Lo hen Iran kan he tawa. An drone siam chona te missile siam chona te. Kan hiam vek to ni. Achan jo manufacturing facilities te. An ti chiat sak nem tawa. Navy te kan ti chiat sak vek tawa. Tu hianin Iran lampang hianin deal siam pui min duwa kan siam pui duwa mo Iran ten hianin deal kan siam thei lawan I chuan pui viawang ti zong han in Trump hian soi ni khai khom meng o.
It was about making a deal, but if we didn't do it tough, there would be no talk.
Well, despite the strong warning, Trump recently decided to pause planned US military strikes against Iran. According to Axios, that decision came after mediating countries and several regional governments. To Axios, that
Hey, Axios lampang hian ron po sa hi ani karin na ni sila po kanin ka soi deu thoka US officials believe sanctions could hurt Iran more than bombs. US official poi mo tak te chuanin Iran hi an rek hian a effective zo kang an tiani tia bomb manga be ai chuan chu wang chuanin Trump hian in United States sipai te na engkim plan an lo nei vekto Iran be an tum vekto na kha kha an han post lailok lok nin alang ani achan chu an hanin dor le dona hetianga Trump an thutluk na siam hi Joint Chief Chair General Dan Kainan Trump a warning apea achan chu United States stockpiles kha ral thuma khamo hi CENTCOM Middle East lama hian air defense interceptor te abikin tlemin atlan hiam ve deu to ina hriat thei ni voina po video danga ka react to a Iran hianin tinan drone drone an kap chok ta missile ten ron kap chok ta khami intercept nan khan US lampang hianin an air defense system that patriot te ha interceptor kha amang na sa ni missile pakhat intercept nan interceptor kha pali panga vel te lo mang tang se kha United States ta hana hek ve me mai ani chakzo angin lang thoma se mo chu wang chuanin hi Trump ana United States ina azona ni som pathum chung te me a bom nuwa a chol thut na chan kha hi ani deu berin alang ani
That decision came after mediating countries and several regional governments urged Washington to give diplomacy another opportunity before resorting to force. The current negotiations are reportedly aimed at reaching a new understanding that could reopen the Strait of Hormuz while also reviving discussions on a broader nuclear agreement with Iran. The diplomatic process is being led primarily by Iran and Oman. Qatar,
Iran le Oman te hianin tuna hianin United States te in dor theina turin tranan la ho meka
Pakistan and Egypt are also reportedly playing important mediation roles.
Pakistan le Egypt te pano tel le to ni ama po hanan tel rangan ni te po hi mo yung matak takhan soi chok chong lo tu da hianin soi chok thei tura ngai la chuanin US official te ngai dan chuanin bom rek ai chuanin Strait of Hormuz te han block an mani rek kha a thazok effective zok an tiani bom an enge infrastructure poimo tak han bom chiat te pokha a effective thobin ka ringa ke ma chuan effective lo tak om lo nga anti thei song chu anti vector ti chianga United States lampang te po hian mo ka thilom ji ani ka tiang hanin thil om dan ania chuanin Iraq Hmar lam northeast lampanga US consulate om na mun vela hian tiang hian drone manga beih an tok bok ani kami kha tun atana kan han react thei kan han soi zau thei chu ani video lai mulai theu do ne